Hello everyone and welcome to this presentation on how to make money now with ChatGPT's insider tips. Today, we're going to show you how you can increase your income and start making money now, using the power of advanced language processing technology. First, let's talk about the basics of using ChatGPT. This state-of-the-art language model can be used to generate high-quality content for a wide range of applications, from chatbots and virtual assistants to automated writing and even financial analysis. With its deep understanding of language and its ability to learn and adapt over time, ChatGPT can help you unlock new opportunities for making money and building your wealth. One key way to use ChatGPT is to generate content for your website or blog. With its ability to write high-quality articles and blog posts on any topic, ChatGPT can help you build a following and attract new customers. By providing valuable, informative content that speaks to your target audience, you can position yourself as an authority in your field and start making money through advertising, affiliate marketing, or even sponsored content. Another way to use ChatGPT is to create chatbots and virtual assistants that can help you automate certain aspects of your business or personal life. With its ability to understand and respond to natural language, ChatGPT can help you create a highly personalized and efficient customer service experience that can help you save time and money while also increasing your revenue. ChatGPT can also help you in financial analysis. With its ability to understand data and make predictions, ChatGPT can help you identify trends and patterns in your financial data that can help you make more informed decisions about your investments. By using ChatGPT to analyze your financial data, you can gain a competitive edge and start making money now by taking advantage of new opportunities as they arise. In addition, ChatGPT can help you create and manage social media campaigns. With its ability to understand and engage with your target audience, ChatGPT can help you create content that resonates with your followers and drives engagement and conversions. By using ChatGPT to manage your social media campaigns, you can save time and money while also increasing your reach and revenue. Another way to use ChatGPT is to generate marketing materials such as brochures, flyers, and product descriptions. With its ability to write compelling, persuasive copy, ChatGPT can help you create marketing materials that stand out and get results. By using ChatGPT to generate marketing materials, you can increase your conversions and start making money now by reaching more customers and closing more sales. Lastly, ChatGPT can help you with your personal finances by creating a budget plan. With its ability to understand your financial situation and create a personalized plan that fits your needs, ChatGPT can help you take control of your money and start building wealth. By using ChatGPT to create a budget plan, you can start making smart financial decisions that will help you reach your financial goals and start making money now. As you can see, there are many ways to use ChatGPT to make money now and build your wealth. Whether you're looking to increase your income, automate your business, or gain a competitive edge in your field, ChatGPT can help you unlock new opportunities and start making money today. So why not give it a try and see for yourself? Thank you for watching this presentation on how to make money now with ChatGPT's insider tips. We hope you found it informative and helpful, and that you're now ready to start using ChatGPT to increase your income and build your wealth. Remember, with ChatGPT's advanced language processing capabilities, the opportunities are endless. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button now, because you're about to learn the secrets of making money quickly and easily with ChatGPT. Please, like, share, comment and subscribe.